Hello students, this video is about question and answers of the class 6th science chapters.
Chapter 15 Air Around Us. First exercise questions. First main A. Multiple choice questions. Here you have to select the correct option. First question is, the gas which protects us from ultraviolet rays is, the given options are A. Oxygen, B. Ozone, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrogen. Here the correct answer is option B. Ozone. The gas which protects us from ultraviolet rays is ozone. Second question, the gas which turns lime water milky is option A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is option C. Carbon dioxide. The gas which turns lime water milky is carbon dioxide. Third question, the product of photosynthesis is option A. Glucose, B. Fat, C. Protein, D. Vitamin. Here the correct answer is option A. Glucose. The product of photosynthesis is glucose. Fourth question, a percentage of nitrogen in air is option A. 81%, B. 80%, C. 79%, D. 78%. Here the correct answer is option D. 78%. The percentage of nitrogen in air is 78%. Fifth question, percentage of oxygen in air is A. 20%, B. 21%, C. 22%, D. 23%. Here the correct answer is option B. 21%. Percentage of oxygen in air is 21%. Sixth question, plants respire with the help of tiny pores called option A. bulb, B. stomata, C. cuticle, D. none of these. Here the correct answer is option B. stomata. Plants respire with the help of tiny pores called stomata. Seventh question, combustion is being helped by option A. oxygen, B. nitrogen, C. carbon dioxide, D. hydrogen. Here the correct answer is option A. oxygen. Combustion is being helped by oxygen. Second main B. Fill in the blanks. First one, all living beings First one, all living things require dash to survive. All living things require air to survive. Second, the ratio of dash and dash in air is 1:4 by volume. The ratio of oxygen and nitrogen in air is 1:4 by volume. Third, aquatic plants and animals breathe in dash dissolved in water. Aquatic plants and animals breathe in air dissolved in water. Fourth, earthworms come out during rains because they need to breathe in dash. Earthworms come out during rains because they need to breathe in air. Fifth, plants and animals depend on each other for exchange of dash and dash. Plants and animals depend on each other for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Third main, C. State true or false against the following statements. First one, plants do not need oxygen during the day. False. Second, ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. True. Ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. True. Third, chlorophyll is not essential for photosynthesis. False. Why? Chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. That's why it is false here. The blanket, fourth one, the blanket of air around the earth is known as atmosphere. True. The air blanket around the atmosphere. The air blanket around the earth is known as atmosphere. Fifth, plants give out carbon dioxide during respiration. True. Plants give out carbon dioxide during respiration. It is true. Fourth main, D. Match the items of column A with those of column B. Here in the column A, it is given as air, oxygen, stomata, carbon dioxide, the products of combustion of fuels, the constituent of air which supports combustion. So we have to match with the column B. Air, it is a mixture of gases. Air is what? It is a mixture of gases. Oxygen is used for respiration. Oxygen is for respiration. Stomata, tiny pores on leaves. Stomata, tiny pores on leaves. Carbon dioxide, it is used for photosynthesis. Fifth, the product of combustion of fuels, that is water and carbon dioxide. Sixth, the constituent of air which supports combustion is oxygen. Fifth and sixth are already matched here. Fifth main, E. Differentiate between the following. First one, nitrogen gas and oxygen gas. Second one, burning and respiration. First we will see the difference between nitrogen gas and oxygen gas. Nitrogen gas does not support burning, whereas oxygen gas supports burning. Nitrogen gas is useful for agriculture and oxygen gas is useful for respiration for all animals. Now second difference, burning and respiration. Burning is a chemical process, whereas respiration is a biological process. Burning is a chemical process, whereas respiration is a biological process. During the burning, it produces carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. During the respiration, it produces carbon dioxide. Now next main, F. Give reason. First question is, air is necessary for burning. Air is necessary for burning. Give reason. Answer, because air contains oxygen gas which support burning. Second question, all living bodies need air. All living bodies need air. Answer, because air contains oxygen which is useful in respiration process for all living bodies. Next main, G. Short answer type questions. First question, why do living beings need air? Why do living beings need air? Answer, living beings need air because oxygen is present in air which is important for respiration. Second question, what is air? Name the gases present in air. Write their percentage also. What is air? Air is a mixture of gases, fumes and dust particles. What is air? Air is a mixture of gases, fumes and dust particles. Active component of air is about 1/5 of the total volume of air, and inactive part of air is about 4/5 of the total volume of air. The name of the active component of air is oxygen, 21%, and inactive component is nitrogen, that is 78%. Other gases are carbon dioxide, ozone, noble gas. Noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon. And sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and
carbon monoxide.
third question. How do plants and animals together keep a balance of levels of gases in air? How do plants and animals together keep a balance of levels of gases in air? Answer. Animals and plants both use oxygen for respiration, but oxygen of atmosphere is still balanced. It is because plants are refilling oxygen in the atmosphere through the process of photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, the plants consume water and carbon dioxide in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight and convert them into food and oxygen. This oxygen is consumed by animals for respiration, that is breakdown of food, and release carbon dioxide. Fourth question. Discuss how do plants exchange gases? How do plants exchange gases? Answer. Plants exchange gases with the help of two different biochemical processes, that is respiration and photosynthesis. In respiration, plants use atmospheric oxygen and produces carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is used up in the photosynthesis and produces oxygen, which is further used up in respiration. Fifth question. Why do we feel suffocated and uncomfortable in a busy, crowded road with a lot of traffic? Why do we feel suffocated and uncomfortable in a busy or crowded road with a lot of traffic? Answer. We feel suffocated and uncomfortable in a busy, crowded road with a lot of traffic because these areas contain lot of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, which is harmful for respiration. Sixth question. Why do earthworms come out of the burrows when it rains heavily? Answer. During heavy rain, earthworms come out of the burrows because the burrows are filled with water and worms feel difficulty to respire in burrows. Next main long answer type questions. First question. Describe how would you prove with the help of an experiment that air contains carbon dioxide. Answer. To prove that air contains carbon dioxide, take a test tube and fill 2/3 of it with lime water. Breathe out air by your mouth through a straw into the lime water. Observe the effect of gas on it. You will find that lime water becomes milky. Since carbon dioxide is a colorless and odorless gas, it is detected by its action on lime water, which turns milky. So here figure also shown. So this test tube contains a lime water. Here one person is blowing air into this test tube. So that gas is carbon dioxide. Whenever carbon dioxide goes into the lime water turns into milky. Second question. How will you show that air is dissolved in water? How will you show that air is dissolved in water? Answer. To show that air is dissolved in water, first take some water in a beaker, heat it slowly on a tripod stand. Now observe the inner surface of the vessel before boiling the water. You will see tiny bubbles at the bottom when water is heated. The air dissolved in it escapes. Third question, how do you experimentally show that air is essential for burning? Answer, to demonstrate that air is essential for burning, take a lighted candle and place it in a bowl containing water. Cover it with a glass. We'll see that the candle keeps burning for some time, and after some time it is put out. It means the candle burns for some time until the some amount of air present in the glass, but after finishing of that air the candle puts off. This shows that air is essential for burning. Fourth question, explain briefly how the amount of oxygen in air does not deplete in spite of the fact that large amount of it is used in combustion and respiration. Answer, the amount of oxygen in air does not deplete in spite of the fact that large amount of it is used in combustion and respiration, because the amount of oxygen produced by plants in the process of photosynthesis balances its scarcity in our surrounding. Next main I, questions based on diagrams and figures. First question, study the activity shown in the figure. Alongside, when soil was placed in water, suddenly bubbles started coming up to the top surface of water. Where did the bubbles come from? Answer, the water of container displaces the air present in the soil, which comes out in the form of bubbles. Second question, a beaker is inverted and lowered onto a burning candle as shown alongside. What will happen to the candle? Explain briefly. Answer, the candle keeps burning for some time. After that the candle put out because of unavailability of oxygen. Third question, in the activity shown in the figure, a paper kept over a mouth of the glass does not fall although the glass is full of water and its weight is acting downwards. What does this experiment show? Answer, there is no air inside the glass. So, atmospheric air pressure keeps the paper sticking over the mouth of the glass and it does not fall. Next main J, HOTS questions. First question, are you aware of any planet or satellite where there is no atmosphere? What is the major difference in those planets and Earth? Answer, Mercury, a planet, and Moon, a satellite, has no atmosphere. This planet and satellite has no air around them. Atmosphere is one of the most important symbol of presence of life. There is no life present on Mercury and Moon, whereas on Earth life is possible because it has atmosphere. Second question, carbon dioxide leads to global warming. Carbon dioxide leads to global warming. Still then it is important to have carbon dioxide in air. Why? Answer, carbon dioxide is used during photosynthesis by the plants, so it is important. But excess amount of carbon dioxide present in atmosphere leads to global warming, which is very harmful for environment. Next main K, value based question. Parul always keeps the doors and windows of her room closed. But her grandfather keeps the windows of his room open to let the fresh air come in the room. On the basis of the above information, answer the following questions. First question, which one is healthy? Parul or her grandfather? Give reason also. Answer, her grandfather is healthy because he keeps the windows of his room open to let the fresh air come in the room. So he breathes in fresh air which is necessary for healthy life. Question B, what should a person do to remove the stale air from his room if there is no window in the room? Answer, a person should use any scientific device like an exhaust fan to remove stale air from his room if there is no window in the room. Question C, which type of values are displayed by Parul's grandfather? Answer, critical thinking, sincerity for healthy life and scientific knowledge.